listening to Redneck.
Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on.
Hey you guys, in today's video we're going to be doing this look. This is the prettiest look I think I've done lately. I really want to do something rainbow because I couldn't choose what color I wanted, so this is what I came up with. Be sure to leave comments down below if you have any questions, and let's just get right into this. So we're going to be starting with Tarte Shape Tape. This is the shade Light Natural, and I'm just using it to prime my lids. And I'm going to be blending out with a Real Techniques mini sponge. I really like these. They come in a pack of 2, and I find them at TJ Maxx all the time. And now we're going to be dipping into the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, which is definitely one of my favorite rainbow palettes. It's not too intense, but it's not powdery, it's not chalky. And we're just going to be doing it by color. So we're starting with the red, and I skipped like around colors. Like I didn't put orange because you can just mix yellow in with the orange. So I kind of did something like that. And now we're going with the yellow. We're going to place that right next to the red to make orange and get some of that yellow in there. And I'm using the Morphe All I Want brush set brushes for this because I don't use my Sigma brushes whenever I'm doing color. You notice that. And then we're going to go in with the green and just pop that right next to the yellow. And I'm basically not worrying about blending. I'm just making sure I get that color payoff on there. And next we're going with this blue, and I'm just going to place that right next to the green, of course, using the same brush I used for the green, just so it'll mix in a little bit. Basically, I didn't blend these too often much because they basically blended into each other because they're a gradient, they're a rainbow gradient, so they blended in very, very well. And you notice I put the pink in before the purple because I just wanted to see where the pink would fit, and then I just took a little detail brush and just added some purple in there. And then we're going back in with Tarte Shape Tape, and let me know how you guys like the little, the product on the screen. But I'm doing my cut creases. How I always do my cut creases, I put a little bit of concealer up on the lid, and then I look up, and then there's where I cut my crease. Now we're going in with the Mayron metallic powder. This is shade Gold. I haven't used this in so long, but I do love their powders. Their metallic powders. They're so good, and they look really good when they're wet. They look like foil on your eyes, and it's so pretty. For a pop-up glitter, we're going with the Pop Beauty Flash Shadow. This is a shade Cosmic Confetti, and you guys know how I love my liquid glitters. Glitter is everything, but I don't like regular glitter. For liner, I'm using this Flower Beauty liquid shadow, and I'm just going to, create a wing with that. And now I'm just gonna mimic what I did on the top crease to the bottom, so that's all I'm doing. And now we're going in with the JCat Beauty You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter. This is shade Pink Goddess, and I'm highlighting with this, and this highlighter was everything. And then for primer, we're going with Benefit Professional, just, getting rid of all those pores. And then for foundation, we're going with the Hailey's Beauty Reset Liquid Foundation. My shade is 2.5 Neutral, and honestly, I've never seen a foundation match me so well, and it does not oxidize. It stays the same. It stays so good. My skin looks so airbrushed. This is honestly probably gonna be my favorite foundation ever, and it's not too expensive. It's only 20 bucks, so definitely check that out. For setting powder, we're going to set with the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and this is a big Juvia's Place brush from their trio. And then we're going to go and Makeup Geek bronzer in the shade Tawny and just contour and bronze at the same time. Pretty much bronze tour, and I'm using the Sigma Concealer Kabuki brush like always. And by the way, you can use code BAKEWITH10 and get this brush or the whole brush set for the baking and strobing set 10% off. And then for highlighter, we're using the JCat Beauty highlighter, and look at this, guys. Look how pretty this highlighter is. I was so blown away because it was only $9 and it looks like it's wet. Like I was just like, I don't look like I'm enjoying it, but inside I was enjoying it. And then for blush, we're going with the Pixie Glow Cake and Gilded Bear Glow and just using the lightest color. And then for lips, I actually really enjoy this lipstick. I've been wearing it non-stop. This is a liquid lipstick from Lipland in the shade Empire, and it's like my favorite formula right now. Like these are so good. I never tried Lipland and I was like never interested. I seen them on sale at Riley Rose and I was just like, you know what, let's try it. And then we're going in with Benefit Bad Gal Bang for mascara. I haven't used this in so long, and it's one of my favorite mascaras. It just got lost in my collection. And don't worry, this is a new one and opened. So yeah, we're just gonna apply that to our lashes. And then for lashes, I will link her Instagram down below. This is Fetch by Jasmine Carter, Fetch_ by Jasmine Carter, and these are her lashes, and you can inbox her if you want to purchase them. And that, you guys, is the finished look, and I love this look. I love the skin, I love the eyes, I love the lip. I love this look, period. So definitely let me know if you like this, and I'll definitely do more rainbow looks in the future. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
This game, get top of God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, big fine, Percocet.